Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about best B2B services, review and rating platforms. Watch this video to know how to find honest reviews on your provider and gain more confidence in your choice. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. Well, over 10 years, Jelvix has been ranked by top consulting and analytical firms, and we are so excited to review evaluating platforms and consulting firms that provide unbiased expertise. If you are a vendor, we suggest placing your company profile on these websites. If you are a potential customer, check out these websites to find the list of leaders in the niche, as well as their reviews. The first website is softwareworld.co. It is an independent review platform that names software development companies and allows organizations to rate their vendors. Based on scores given by clients and individuals, the platform rates the vendor. Let's take a look at the criteria of evaluation. Among them are the client reviews, a field of focus, and location. The second website is techreviewer.co. We can say that it is one of the most recognized technology innovation awards out there. To get featured on the website, the company has to go through the careful application, provide multiple insights on the company, and prove everything with reviews and cases. Most ratings are released annually. Among its criteria of evaluation are the company's capacity, such as hourly rates, people in the team, the average cost of the product, business focus, etc., tech review rating, listings, where the company is featured, and major clients. The third platform is clutch.co. It is the biggest and most well-known evaluation platform for B2B vendors. Multiple clients have contacted our team after looking at our Clutch page or finding us in one of the ratings. Among the main selection criteria of Clutch are verifying client reviews, as they actively contact the authors of reviews and require a lot of materials to prove its validity. Verified location, general service information, field of expertise, and portfolio. Have you personally used clutch.co for vendor selection? Share your thoughts in the comments. The fourth website is goodfirms.co. It is one of the biggest platforms that lists the best software and service providers. The official team is willing to consider companies not just by their profile quality, but actually tech expertise and IT service practices. The fifth platform is DesignRush, and it's highly regarded both by vendors and organizations, mainly because the evaluation is based on incredibly detailed profiles. To get featured on DesignRush, the company has to submit a lot of information. Among its evaluation criteria are detailed portfolio, client reviews, fields of expertise, and team bio. By the way, we highly recommend checking out the article about outsourcing benefits and risks. Find the link in the description. The last website is The Manifest. It is a maverick research and review platform that emphasizes innovative practices, transparent management, and employment service awards. Well, a profile on The Manifest is connected to Clutch and then additionally verified by the team. Moderators examine Clutch score, reviews, presence, and ratings and determine if the vendor is to be trusted or not. So here, the profile is synchronized with Clutch, reviews are the main evaluation criteria. For all vendors, we suggest carefully curating your profile on these platforms and adding as many customer reviews as you can. For those looking for a good vendor, we suggest starting by evaluating lists of trusted providers. Such tech platforms help clients to get an impartial perspective on the expertise, as it's based on validated reviews and positions of third-party experts. And how do you usually conduct the process of vetting a vendor? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share detailed rating platform reviews, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.